Angel Santiago. Today we're gonna make salt dough donuts. Go. Okay, flour, salt, water, paint, sprinkles, one stir. Let's get started. Okay, first we need to put the flour in a container.
Flour.
We're making fake donuts.
It's just a fake donut. Why not make a real donut?
It looks like a real donut, Papa.
It looks like a real donut?
Ate, nagkayat ka sa table, oh.
Ate, nagkawin ka sa table, oh.
Okay, now we're gonna put the salt. Or konti salt.
Also.
Also. We need to put water konti-konti lang. Okay, English. You stir na, English. Next, we're gonna need it 10 minutes. Gonna paint it.
Joy, tapos ko na yung purple. Pwede ba yun naman pink?
Yeah, sure. But what is my crush now? Our salt dough donuts. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.